In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can make money with copy and paste. And you might be thinking, well, that sounds like utter nonsense. And I agree with you, it may do. However, I can guarantee you something. If you watch this video till the end, you will know exactly how you can make money with this. I'll share with you how you can make as much or as little as you want, and I'll also share with you the resources and the tools to get this up and running, because genuinely, if you can copy and paste, by the end of this video you will know exactly how you can make money, not only from home but from absolutely anywhere, because you can do this without any experience, without any knowledge or any skills, and more importantly, it works very quickly and it's also very simple. So let's jump into today's video and I'll show you exactly step by step how you can make money with copy and paste. Okay, so let's go ahead and start on the first website and I'll walk you through this entire process. So let's come over here and let's come onto here. So I'm on this one platform over here. This one is called Upwork. You can see here, I've just typed in a blog post and there's currently 3,255 jobs available for blog posts. This is just one platform. This is another one called freelancer.com. You can see there's 438 jobs available on this site. And look, these are just two different websites that you can use with this method. You can also use people per hour. You can use guru.com. You could even use platforms like Fiverr and many more. But how does this work? Well, first of all, let's just scroll down and we're looking for people who want some blog posts. And don't worry if you're thinking, well, I'm not a writer, I don't know how to create content. You don't need to. You absolutely don't. I'll show you how you can get over that little hurdle in a second. So if we scroll down here, look, looking for a long-term blog writer to join our team. Budget for this one is 10k. If we quickly open this up, look, we're a content creation company and we have a consistent flow of articles that come in from clients. We're looking for writers that are willing to do long-term work, are responsive and can have a turnaround time of 1 to 2 days. Article topics vary. You'll need to be able to write just about anything with some research. Don't worry about research because we will not be doing any of that neither. The topics are not difficult, so you don't have to have extensive knowledge going into them. So this up here is a 10k budget. If I scroll further on the page, let's find some more. So what's this one? Blog creation posting ads, $25. Come a bit further down, look, blog writers needed for a supplements website. Budget for this one is $35. If you open this up, they normally give you a bit more information about it. Come further on the page. Need affiliate article editor, $30 to $45. Writer needed for our food and blog. Budget for this one is 50 grand. We're looking to hire another 3 to 5 writers who can contribute to our blog. Many projects, this is all in home improvement. So you might be thinking at this moment in time, well, hang on, Mark, you said this is copy and paste. And it is. So let me show you how this all works. So for this, we use a piece of software and you can get a trial to this for 5 days with no strings or anything, completely free. I'll drop a link to this below for you. In fact, what I'll do is I'll drop the link over to this blog article over here and you can see, look, it comes with a free trial. You can trial it for 5 days and literally get this whole method up and running and see if you like this. So let me jump over here and I'll show you how this works. So for this, inside of this software here, I have all of these different templates. In today's video, we're looking at a blog. So this is our content. Now, if I come over here, I'll quickly show you this. So this is in the training. You can see on here, 2,200 word post in 15 minutes. So literally, we'll follow the steps for this. So step 1 is generate the outline. So step 1, tool 1, blog outline. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to come over here and we're looking for, look, blog post outline. So in here, what is our title or topic? Well, the people over on Upwork here, they will give us some suggestions. But for this, let me just go with this. So I'm just going to go with what is affiliate marketing? I'm just going to put this in here. Tone of voice, I've got it on Optimus Prime. Let me just change this to, let me go with excited, for example. And you can change this to whatever tone of voice you want. You can also select this to come out in a different language if you want as well. But I'm just going to click on generate AI content. So this is going to give us some, an outline for this article. So look, we've got all of this here now, right? So I'm going to grab the first one. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product. Okay, so right, so I'm going to grab this, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to take this into a notepad. Let me go into, you can see I've got a few of these. Let me just go into a new one. Go into new, No, we don't want to save that. So I'm going to come down here, I'm going to paste this into there. Okay, so that's part 1 done. So blog outline, and I've put the title in. Use a blog outline, Step 2, now I'm going to generate the content. So for this, I'm going to use tool 2. This is sentence expander and blog post into a paragraph. So take the subheadings and plug them into the sentence expander to generate more content. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to look for sentence expander. So let's just go back over here to templates. Scroll down, click on blogs. I'm going to click, so we've got content improver, but I want sentence expander. So you see here, sentence expander. So in here, a few words or sentence you'd like to expand on. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to come here, and I'm going to copy this. Paste that in there, and I'm also going to put this down to 1. You see up here, we can only have 80 characters. Someone else's products. Let me just get rid of that. I'm going to click on Generate AI Content. And we're just going to click on there. I'm sorry. Oh, I can't even highlight and copy today, can I? Sorry, I'm going to copy that, right? So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to come back over here and paste that there. I'm going to put that underneath. So that is that part done. I'm then going to take this, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to put this in here, and put this in here, and click on Generate AI Content. And then I'm going to grab this, I'm going to copy this, I'm going to put this under number 2, like so, and put this in here. Then we're going to go on to number 3. And don't worry, I won't do every single one, we'll just do this really quickly so you can get an idea for how simple this is. Get rid of that, and click on Generate AI Content. So this says here, with Shopify you can get it up unless, well, it's not Shopify, so let me do it again. No, I don't want it to say Shopify. So this keeps bringing out Shopify. The reason being is because we've probably got the keywords interest or inventory. But if I come over here, let me just take this. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back over here. Okay. I'm going to put this down here, and I'm just going to click on paste. Okay. So I'm going to change Shopify to affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can get up and running in less than 20 minutes. So realistically, that would probably be about 30 minutes. No need to hassle with inventory or any other issues that are common or physical. Common for, I'm going to go with traditional online businesses. The best part is it's all done from your computer. Okay, so I've done that. So I've plugged those 3 subheadings into Sentence Expander. So that is there. And then also it says take these and plug them into blog post into paragraph. Okay, so I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to go to templates and I'm going to go to blog and I'm going to go blog post into paragraph. So click on here, I'm going to type in affiliate marketing. I'm sorry if we could get this done. Affiliate marketing. So we'll leave this with, we'll go with dads, mums. That'll do for now. I just want to quickly go through this for you. So blog post title. So I'm going to come back over here. Our blog post title was what is affiliate marketing. So I'm going to click on here and type in what is affiliate marketing. Let's just click on generate AI content. Copy that. Take this up here. Paste that into there. Affiliate marketing is a method for earning money from selling people's products online. Here how it works. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now, so we've got that. Yeah, okay, so we've got all of that. So now I'm on to step 3, tool 3, this here. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to go to templates. I'm going to go down to the AIDA framework. Oh no, this one here they've gone with the problem framework. So let me just go back to templates. Let me go to the past framework. Type in here again and type in affiliate marketing. product description. So what's it said here for a product description? Take the introductory paragraph and paste it into the product description. So we've done that. Product name, add the keyword from your content. Okay, so add the product name to the keyword. Okay. So, sorry, I need to read that again. Take the introductory paragraph and paste it in the product description area of the Pass Framework tool. Okay. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to paste that into there. And I'm going to click on generate, and I'm going to take that down to 2, because I don't want it to be too long. In fact, I'll just put it to 1 for now. Generate AI content. And then that'll just take a second, and then look at this now, we've got all of this. Problem, I'm just going to copy that for now. Paste that down here like so. That's that bit done. Let's go back over here. So we've done that. Pull elements from the Pass Framework here to flesh out introduction of your post. So that there would be our introduction, okay? So the introduction to our post is going to be this. Okay, so I'm going to cut this. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to put introduction. I'm going to paste that there. So, get rid of the word problem. You can see on here, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money. It's hard to get started. Get rid of this. That's why you should use our guide. We've already come across, etc., etc. Solution. Let me get rid of that. Free guide on So you see here where it says how I earn 5k with affiliate marketing. You can just get rid of this. So if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and how it can help you grow your business, then check out our free guide on So we'd get rid of this. Then just put keep on reading. Next step, pretty done. So look, we're nearly near the bottom of this already. So we've done that. We've now got our ADI framework. This is optional. Pull content in the ADI to flash out your post. Step tool, content improver. Paste each paragraph into the content area and turn. Okay, so I'm now going to go to the content improver. So I'm going to go to templates and I'm going to scroll down here and click on blogs, content improver. So what's it say here to do? Content improver. Paste each paragraph into the content area and change the tone based on your desired voice. So take this and copy this. I'm going to put this into here. Click on generate AI content. And then after a second, look, we've got this one over here. So look, I can take this and I can now use this. So basically all I'm doing here is I'm literally just using this software here to go ahead and create blog articles and blog content, and I'm using this training post here inside of the software to literally go through it. And by the end of this, you can see here, this is how, well, this is this person's article here, but this is what we're doing here. We're literally just copy and pasted from the software on here using the templates. So do you think by using these different templates here that you could go ahead and start applying for, these jobs on here, how to create, blog articles and content? Absolutely. There's hundreds and thousands of people who are looking for people who can go ahead and create blog content for them and put out any content basically. And using this software over here, it's simple, it's easy. As you've seen, we just copy and paste. There's lots more stuff in here. I mean, I'm not going to cover everything in this video because it would go on for a long time. But also as well inside of here, you've got your blog post outlines, you've got your blog post into a paragraph, you've even got title and meta description. So if I was to go into here, you can include this as well. So you have your title, and then you see this here, this meta description. You can also give this to anyone whereby, you're working with them over here. But overall, that's today's video. So if you want to go ahead and check this out for free, there's a link down below. It will take you over to this blog article over here. Go ahead and have a look at it, go through, read it and see what it's all about. And you can literally sign up and you can take this for free for 5 days. At the end of the 5 days, you've then got the option to just basically walk away from this, or you can then sign up and it will cost you 20. Now you can see here, you get 20,000 words for $29 a month. But overall, it's absolutely awesome. It's simple and it's easy. And in this example here, what I've gone through with you today, looking at copy and paste, we've been looking at the blog articles here. But you can also use this for, YouTube video outlines and scripts and lots more. So you see here, if I just go back over onto Upwork, and I'll just go up here and I'll show you this. So I'll just type in YouTube script. You'll find hundreds of people. Look, 651 jobs for YouTube scripts, and it's the same process here. Look, script for an English YouTube channel, $40. Come further down the page, $50. This is for, look, a video script. Come further down the page. What's this one here? Look, script writer, $60. Another one here. Oh no, it's not. This one here, look, looking for a script writer for a YouTube channel, $1,000. Use this software over here. Look, topic ideas, title, script outline, script hook and introduction, video description and lots more. So look, overall this piece of software is absolutely awesome and it makes it copy and paste. So if you can copy and paste, then you can go ahead and use this software to make money online. And if you've got absolutely no money, try it out for 5 days. In 5 days, just go hell for leather, applying to all the different things that you can find on here. Don't just go with blog articles, go with YouTube video scripts, go with blog articles, even go through these ones here like e-commerce or Amazon features. You can go ahead and look at this. You've got email marketing, you've got SEO marketing campaigns on here. There's new templates being released into here all the time. You've got marketing frameworks. There's lots more in here. So yeah, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow.